Using Credit Karma to pay off debt is a straightforward process that can help you manage and eliminate your debt efficiently. First, you need to create an account on Credit Karma, which is a free online service that provides you with free access to your credit score and report. Once you have created your account, link all your credit cards and loans to your Credit Karma account. This will give you a comprehensive view of your debt. Credit Karma will then provide you with a personalized debt repayment plan, which will suggest the best way to pay off your debt based on your financial situation. The debt repayment plan will take into account the balance, interest rate, and minimum payment for each of your credit cards and loans. It will also suggest which debt to pay off first, either the one with the highest interest rate or the one with the smallest balance. Paying off the debt with the highest interest rate can save you the most money in interest over time, while paying off the debt with the smallest balance can give you a sense of accomplishment and momentum. In addition to the debt repayment plan, Credit Karma also provides you with tools to track your progress and stay motivated. You can set reminders and alerts to ensure you never miss a payment. And you can also track your credit score and report to see how your debt repayment efforts are impacting your credit. To get the most out of Credit Karma, make sure to log in regularly to track your progress and adjust your debt repayment plan as needed. You should also consider consolidating your debt into a single loan with a lower interest rate, and cutting back on unnecessary expenses to free up more money to put towards your debt. By following these steps and using the tools and resources provided by Credit Karma, you can create an effective debt repayment plan and start paying off your debt today. Remember to stay disciplined, patient, and committed to your plan, and you will be on your way to becoming debt-free.